Okay, what the heck is a custom GPT? I thought ChatGPT was already smart. Why would I need to customize it?
Good question. Think of regular ChatGPT like a really smart intern. Knows a ton, but asks way too many follow-up questions.
Ugh, like what tone would you like me to use every single time?
Exactly. Now imagine you train that intern, give them rules, examples, a job title, and boom. Now they just do the thing right every time.
So a custom GPT is like that intern after you've whipped them into shape.
Yep, it's still ChatGPT, but with a clear role, task, and rules layered on top. And you don't even need to know how to code.
Okay, but what makes it actually custom?
You define the role, like podcast scriptwriter or support agent. Then you set the task it should do by default, rules to follow, and even upload reference files. Once that's locked in, it behaves consistently, every single time.
Relieved. So I don't have to keep saying, use a friendly tone or don't sound like a robot.
Exactly. No more babysitting, no more repeating yourself. It just gets it right every time.
Skeptical. All right, but it's not some fancy robot assistant, right? It's still inside ChatGPT.
Yep, it's not some separate AI agent. It lives inside ChatGPT. It doesn't run background tools or crawl your software unless you turn that on.
Nodding. Understanding. So it's basically a behavior profile.
Boring name, very powerful outcome.
Curious. Give me a real example. Something someone would actually use.
All right, check this out. Podcast Script GPT. Act like a producer, writes full solo episodes with built-in pauses, short lines, clear hooks, no more rewriting scripts for hours. Brand Voice GPT rewrites your content in your tone, avoids certain words, matches sentence rhythm. Everything sounds like you, not 5 different bots. Customer Support GPT handles emails, polite but firm, references policy, and never apologizes more than once. Saves your team so much time.
Impressed. Okay, that's pretty sick. It's like giving ChatGPT a job description and some boundaries.
Exactly. And here's the kicker. It's consistent. Same tone, same rules, same quality, every single time.
Thinking out loud. And consistency is what businesses actually want.
Boom. That's why these things are catching on like wildfire.
Light bulb moment. So basically, ChatGPT is a Swiss Army knife, but custom GPTs are scalpels.
Yes, everyone keeps swinging the knife when they really just need a precise tool.
Motivated. All right, I'm sold. Where do I make one?
Just head to ChatGPT, click Explore GPTs, and build one. No coding needed.
Sweet. I'm making a job interview prep GPT right after this.
Do it. And hey, if you liked this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and drop a comment with the weirdest custom GPT idea you can think of. We might feature it next episode.